Looking for a sleek, AI-ready laptop that doesn't break the bank? Meet the Acer Aspire Go 15, powerful, stylish, and designed for everyday multitasking, streaming, and more. Let's dive into what makes this laptop stand out in 2025. Design and display. The Acer Aspire Go 15 features a 15.6-inch Full HD IPS display with a 1920 by 1080 resolution, offering immersive visuals and sharp image quality. Whether you're browsing the web or binge-watching your favorite series, thanks to its narrow bezel design, you get more screen space and less distraction. Plus, with Acer Blue Light Shield, it reduces eye strain from long hours of use. Performance and storage. Under the hood, it's powered by the AMD Ryzen 7 5825U processor with 8 cores and speeds up to 4.5 GHz. It's paired with 16 GB DDR4 RAM and a lightning-fast 512 GB PCIe Gen4 SSD, meaning smooth multitasking and quick boot times. Whether you're editing docs, browsing 20 tabs, or managing light creative tasks, it handles it all effortlessly. AI Assistant Copilot in Windows. What's cooler? It comes with Copilot in Windows, your built-in AI assistant. Just tap the dedicated Copilot key on the keyboard and instantly get help across apps, drafts, and search, making your workflow even faster. Ports and connectivity. Connect everything you need. 1 USB Type-C with power delivery and DisplayPort. 3 USB 3.2 Gen 1. 1 HDMI 2.1 with HDCP. Ethernet port, headphone jack, and Kensington lock. It also supports Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.1+, giving you fast wireless connections for streaming or meetings. Battery and portability. Work or stream on the go with exceptional battery life. It's lightweight at just 3.92 pounds and measures 0.78 inches thick, making it perfect for students, professionals, or anyone who needs performance on the move. Camera, audio, and video calls. Stay clear and connected during video calls with a 720p HD camera powered by Acer's TNR technology for better low-light performance. And with Acer Purified Voice with AI noise reduction, your voice stays crisp and background noise stays out. AcerSense and sustainability. Control your laptop easily with AcerSense. Manage performance, battery, and apps in one place. And the best part? It's eco-friendly, made with recycled materials and packed in 100% recyclable packaging. Keyboard and touchpad. The full-sized keyboard has a comfortable, responsive layout, perfect for long hours of typing. The touchpad is large and smooth, supporting multi-touch gestures for quick navigation. Final verdict and price. So if you're looking for a powerful, AI-ready laptop with an excellent display, long battery life, and all the essential ports, the Acer Aspire Go 15 with Ryzen 7 5825U is a fantastic choice at just $549.99. It's built for the future without emptying your wallet. Like what you see? Hit the like button, subscribe for more laptop reviews, and check the link in the description to grab your Acer Aspire Go 15 today. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.